Good morning.
Morning,
everyone.
guys. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Blessed Sunday.
It is too early. So, what I want to talk to you about today is the Keurig
Elite series.
I've been noticing that my coffee hasn't been super duper hot. It's still good. It's drinkable. It's actually it won't burn your tongue, but it's perfect for people that just want to chug down their coffee.
And we've had this a little over 6 months. And as a real man, never read the manual. When things come with extra pieces, that's the way it's supposed to be. But in this case, it's not, because if you would read the manual, there's something you should know about this Keurig machine, which we love, by the way.
So, when you go to the settings button, skip the time. The temperature should always be 192. And this little mountain should always be off. That mountain is what makes the coffee just warm. So when it's on,
It's like a temperature control.
yes, it is. Oh. When it's on, right, the coffee just comes out drinkable, not super duper hot like my better half likes it. So you have to turn it off. Oy. And then once you make the coffee, the water's heating up, as you can hear.
What coffee we're using today?
I am trying a new coffee,
Van Hoot.
breakfast blend.
Can't go wrong. Don't know if you guys have that in USA. Van Hoot coffee.
Van Hoot. Add Van Hoot. And anything else? Strong for me. Normal cup.
Well, it's not really a normal cup you're using. You're using a Halloween cup still.
Yes.
We love Halloween, now we love this cup.
We love Sam.
Sam is a man. There he is. So let's get back in 10 seconds and see how hot is this coffee using that new trick that we learned in the menus that we didn't know until like maybe 2 weeks ago.
Also, another trick, actually, while we're here,
Okay.
is
Share all your coffee tricks.
I've been putting my creamer in after my coffee comes out, but I've noticed that it comes out a little liquidy.
What creamers are we using?
Today is Pumpkin Spice International Delight. It's a seasonal delight.
No.
I pour it in as it's coming out.
Okay.
And the cream gets hot.
Would you like some coffee with that cream?
Shish. And the cream gets hot, and it doesn't taste as watered down as, putting it in after you make your coffee. It's as if it melded together and cooked together.
Look at it boiling, like steaming.
Oh,
So you
it's
know
getting
it's
hot. Yeah. See?
Look at the steam.
We didn't have that before.
No, we didn't have any steam before. So this might be something you guys knew already. Maybe you don't, and this might help you. So that's why we're doing this video.
A friend of mine told me she had to
I
bring...
figured it out.
A friend of mine told me she had to bring back her Keurig machine 3 times.
Silly girl.
Until she realized the mountain.
The steam
Was
is
on.
just coming out of there. Oh, look at that. It's steaming so much. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a big difference using the, going into the menu and changing that.
Let me see.
Oh, by the way, and I will be having...
Woo! That's hot.
Oh, is it hot?
Now that's hot. See?
Cool. That's what we wanted.
Yes.
And I'll be having French vanilla in case anyone cares.
Of course. So
Alright.
that's all. That's all I wanted to let you people know in case, you're like one of us and didn't even look at the menu settings.
or the manual. So once again, guys, go to the settings and make sure the mountain is off. Thanks for watching. Love all you guys. Like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. We have so many other ones.
And more to come.
Yeah, there's going to be a really cool one today. Going to be using the air fryer to cook fresh chicken wings. First time we've ever done it. So have a great day, guys.